How to change default formatter in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize and change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and settings. Now slowly scroll down. So you'll be able to find an option called default formatter. So this is the section where you can change the format in which language you want. So if you tap on it, you'll be able to find a drop down too. Now simply select the language that you want to enable. So here I'm tapping on HTML. So as you can see, it has been completely changed. Now it has been saved too. Now if you go back, the formatter is completely changed and you're ready to code. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.